hot enough to trip the other vent. Oh, there it is. See if we can get you close enough to see the heat rising up out of this top vent. Can't tell with the glare if you can see that. Anyway, they'll be open for 1 minute and then it'll recheck. That'll probably cool it enough and then they'll close. Of course, to save you a lot of sitting around and watching nothing, we'll clip out and we'll show you the closing. Oh, that was a long wait for me. But anyway, there you go. Vents opening and closing automatically. System works well. Very satisfied. We'll go take a look at the bees quick. And here we are with the beehives. All looking pretty good. Man, it seems like whenever I get over here with the camera, things slow down. The two hives on the left were just cranking about 5 or 10 minutes ago. But I've been waiting for those vents to go down. I wanted to catch the up and down for you. But we got good activity in all three hives. Looks like the right hive is a little slower than the two left ones. But I think they're okay. The two left ones are super strong, so either way we'll be solid. Unless we get another cold snap or something that screws things up, but I think we're going to be alright. Anyway, that's that. Just a quick update here from the Pharmacy Seeds Network. Thanks for watching.